Hi, my name is Gerald and I am one half of Zesty Experience, and today we are talking about how to quarter a chicken. So nowadays you really don't need to know how to quarter a chicken. A lot of times, most of the time you can find chicken breasts, you can find thigh meat. It's already prepared for you. You don't have to cut up the chicken and debone it, but if you do choose to quarter a chicken, you can find chicken for much lower in the terms of the price per pound that you need to pay. And you can go ahead and use those leftover parts, and you can use it for some other very basic culinary techniques as well too. But in today's video, we're gonna show you exactly how to quarter the chicken and how you can split it up so that you can make delicious barbecued chicken that is fantastic for you and the people that mean the most to you. So stay tuned, and we're gonna show you exactly how to do this coming right up. So this is a whole chicken. You can pick this up at pretty much any supermarket nowadays, and these are fantastic for roasting. You can roast them whole, but today what I'm gonna show you what to do is how to quarter your chicken. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you remove all the giblets and the neck here. So make sure that the cavity is clean. You're going to want to hold on to these, because what you can do is you can roast off some of these parts, and then you can create a chicken stock out of this. So this is one great thing that you can do with these leftover carcass parts. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut off the legs here. So we're going to find this flap right here where the leg meets the breast. We're going to go ahead and slice that and pull that apart there. So I'm using a very sharp 8-inch chef's knife for this, and you want to go all the way down into the joint here. So, and you want to cut it right along that joint. Beautiful. There's one leg. We're going to do the same thing on the other side here too. Get rid of this membrane. You notice how I'm not peeling off the skin entirely here too. I'm going to bring that towards me right here. And again, I found that joint. And I'm starting with the tip and slicing that off. So now I have the two legs. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and separate these two legs to a thigh and a leg here. So again, we're finding that joint. You want to feel around for it and go ahead, slice. Same thing over here. Feel around for the joint and slice. So then this next part is going to be the part where we're going to take off the chicken breast. So we're going to first of all cut off the wings here. Again, find that joint in there. That's what it's really all about, is finding these joints on the chicken here and just scoring around, and that will pretty much, there's one wing. I didn't get quite into the joint there. Oh, yep, there it is. And 2 wings. Okay. So the next, what we're going to do is we're going to go through the cavity here, and we're going to cut out the backbone here. So this is the chicken breast right up here, and what we're going to do is we're going to slice off this backbone. So I'm going to cut right along. I'm going to have it poke out the end here. Okay, this is where the neck would be, and I'm just going to cut all along the back, and it cuts off actually pretty smoothly, pretty easily. And go ahead and have the knife go all the way through and tip down. And it cuts through pretty smoothly and easily along the back there. So, and again, we're going to reserve those pieces and we're going to roast those later. So next, we just have the chicken breast here. So I'm just going to trim off a little bit of this fat. Again, reserve that. And now, basically what you have is you have that breastplate bone here, and all we're going to do is just slice the chicken right along the middle of that breastplate. And then now you have the 2 breasts. So now we have a perfectly quartered chicken. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces here, and legs, breast, quartered. And then, like I said, we can use those reserve pieces. We can always roast those up. They can be the base of a chicken stock. That's one great use for them. Or you can just simply boil them with mirepoix, that is carrot, celery, and onion. Boil all those ingredients together for a couple of hours, and you've got yourself a delicious chicken stock. That's just one of many things that you can do with it. But now we have these quartered pieces, and now these are ready to be, you could spread a barbecue rub over these, you could spread barbecue sauce or marinade over these, and then they will be ready to barbecue. So if this video brought you some value, go ahead and hit the like button. If you really were able to up your culinary game, then go ahead and subscribe. My name is Gerald Rhodes, and I am one half of Zesty Experience, and we strengthen relationships through food. We help you develop the culinary techniques that you need to bring your culinary skills up to the next level so that you too can cook nutritious and delicious meals for your family, so that you can start to create those connections and that love and connection with the people that mean the most to you. I hope that this video brought you some value. I hope it taught you something new, and I hope that you have a great day.